Welcome. In this video we will see introduction to web servers. A web server is a program which is configured to serve web pages using Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Server content is usually in HTML or PHP documents and link it to images, scripts and texts. Web server has an IP address and possibly a domain name. For example, if you enter www.google.com, the Google page will appear. This sends a request to server whose domain name is google.com. The server fetches the homepage of Google and sends it to your browser. If you type instead of google.com, if you type / some address, it will fetch that page. If you don't write anything after /, it will fetch the home page, that is index file. The server automatically gives index file first preference. And one more thing you should remember before going forward, that domain name and web server both are completely different. The domain name is the web address, that is www.google.com or www.facebook.com, whereas web server is where you store your all files. You can buy web server or hosting from third party such as GoDaddy or HostGator, or else you can make your own computer as a web server. Any computer can be turned into web server by just installing server software and connecting the machine to the internet. There are many web server software applications available such as Apache. Now let's see how web server works. Let's understand by example. If you type www.facebook.com and hit enter, the Facebook web page appears up. What happens in back end is web browser forms a connection to web server, requests a page and receives it. It's that simple. Everything happens in microseconds. We will see different types of attack on web server. The first one is web ripping, second Google hacking, then SQL injection, PHP remote code execution, cross-site scripting, directory transversal attacks. I'm not saying these are the only attacks on web server, there are still many more. If I get time, I will add still more. But in this course, we will see all these in depth by doing it by ourselves. In next video, we will see web ripping and other attacks. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.